Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to set up your header on each one of your Python files without having to go into the document submissions PDF and copying and paste it every time using a feature called live templates in PyCharm. So just open up PyCharm, go to File, Settings, and if you're using a Mac, it will be File Preferences. You go to the Editor tab and then you go to Live Templates. Click this add arrow and click Template Group and name it Header. And inside the header, press the plus arrow again and press Live Template. And we're going to call this one Individual. And we're going to define it as a Python template. So just copy and paste this particular section. Put your name on it, so you don't have to do it every single time. Then put your section number, in my case which would be 206, don't have a team number. And you can leave the rest because that changes for each particular assignment. Hit apply, then hit OK. So let's say for example, we just create a new file called test, where we can test it on. And if you just hit individual, type in individual. Whoops, if I can spell individual first. Give it some time to load it in first. Okay, there it is. You just type individual, as you can see, it popped up exactly like we set it up. We can do the exact same thing for the group one. Click add, live template. I'll just call this one GR for group. Define it again as a Python. Copy and paste this one. And then you can fill this out with the rest of your team members. But I'm just going to put my name for the first team member. Fill this out with your section. In my case, it would be 206. Whatever your team number would be. So let's say I'm in team number 1. And then the assignment number and your date will change for each assignment. So hit apply, then hit OK. I'm just going to give it a couple of seconds to load in. So now if you type in GR, bam, there you go. And that's how you set up your header efficiently in Python. You only have to do this once, and it's very good.